In order to send a fax from your email, the first thing you want to do is log into the email address that is attached to the FAXAGE account. Once logged in, go ahead and click on the New or Compose Message button. In the to line, go ahead and type the number you wish to send to at faxage.com. Once you have entered the fax number at faxage.com, you may either type some text in to send a free-form fax, or you may attach a document to have that document sent as a fax. If you need to attach your document, go ahead and click on Attach Files. Please note that this may look different on different email clients. Once you have it attached, you will see it here, and you may go ahead and click Send. If you go back to your inbox, you should immediately see an email job submission status email. This is just to confirm that we have received your job and that we are in the process of sending it. Once your job has completed, you will receive a second email notification. This email notification will tell you the number that you sent the fax to and the status of the fax, whether it was successful or if it failed. If this did fail, you may go ahead and forward this over to support@faxage.com and we can troubleshoot this for you. If you have any questions at all, please send us an email to support@faxage.com.